Introducing Land Mentor for the land surveying industry. By delivering plans as if it's still 1960 devalues not only your services but the entire land surveying industry. What if your clients could effortlessly tell how low or high the ground is without reading any dimensions? What if your client can see trees and landscaping without having to block critical information underneath by using transparent colors? And what if your client can instantly tell every element by its color and texture? We live in a world of surfaces, not lines. We've developed the first surface-based technology at land surveying accuracy. With this surface-based intelligence, you can instantly see the areas that are impervious and then have the total numbers show up. But the clients would appreciate more seeing the man-made elements in a chart on the site. They can understand charts, and these colors and textures relate directly to the drawing and can be placed on the drawing in color. We have developed the only land surveying system on a button press that transfers your survey data to a video gaming engine to take a look at your site in any direction as if playing a video game. You can add landscaping. We include things within 5 or 10 minutes embellish the plan, and it gives it sense of scale. But your client will really appreciate the fact that you'll be able to deliver not only a full color texture plan along with that boring surveying plat for recording, but also a plan that they can analyze their site on. For example, to see how the shadows of their buildings will affect not only their property but their neighbor's property or solar gain, and either use the keyboard or an Xbox 360 controller to move about the site. People and cars give a sense of scale. The other thing is, as you can see, there's an error here in the survey, in the DTM, the digital train model. You would never catch that in a CAD package because it would be too little of a piece of information buried under other pieces of data. 3D allows you to analyze a site, take a look at it, not just for your client's benefit, but also to make sure mistakes didn't transfer. Also, when we take a look at the use of this, we have no commands. We've eliminated every command. We have the easiest to use high-level design package ever developed. For example, no longer do you have to have contour lines taking millions of points. There's only 640 points on this entire development, yet it's interactive with the communication. We look at things as far as what they are. Is it a street? Is it bituminous? And instead of saying here's a layer upon layer upon layer, it greatly simplifies the entire industry. And then you can move things where you want and display things differently. Communicate by snapping to all of these different surfaces, and it'll instantly tell you the square footage or legal description. In CAD, you would have to have a cumbersome polylines. It greatly reduces the workload while increases the deliverable to your client. Our unique positional-based coordinate geometry protects you from lawsuits. It'll eliminate all of the CAD-induced errors as well as most of the human errors because we developed the technology that thinks like you, thinks like a land surveyor. In Land Mentor, you own your software, you own your future. It's not a money pit where you have to retool and relearn because CAD happened to add some 3D thing for airplane wings that makes your surveying and engineering more difficult to do. In short, Land Mentor is a much better solution for you as a land surveyor and for the land surveying industry as a whole.